Welcome to Rajni Tech Talk. In this class, we are going to learn how to use limit function. First, let me execute our table. Select star from database name dot table name. And this, you will get the table name. In our table, we have 6 rows in our table. Now, I required first 2 rows in our table. For that, we are using the limit function. By using limit function, let me execute limit to. If you run this, you will get first 2 rows like that. Not only 2, if I require 4 rows, if you run this, you will get first 4 rows in the table has been executed. Here limit function is nothing but whatever the rows you required in a table. To filter the rows in a table, we use limit function. Now for example, in our table there is a 4 rows in our table. Now I required fifth row in our table. For that, after comma, if you give 1, if you run this, you will get the fifth row. Here this value is nothing but is called as an offset value. Offset is nothing but whatever you have given a limit value, after the limit value, whatever the rows to execute, for that we call it as an offset value. This is nothing but limit and offset. Let me try another one concept called as an aliasing. Let me copy paste this one again. Aliasing is nothing but is used to change the column headings in the table. Let me see. First let me execute the table. See in the table there is an s name is a heading of a name in the table. Let me try to change s name to s underscore name. Select s name as s underscore name. Here has is nothing but aliasing function. After as, whatever you have write is considered as an heading of the table. I have given s underscore name. Let me run this. If you see here, the name column name has been changed to s name to s underscore name. This is nothing but aliasing. Aliasing is used to change the name of the column of particular column is nothing but aliasing. Okay, thank you.